Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can connect your storage on Google Drive with your account on CloudConvert so that you may upload files from Google Drive to CloudConvert to convert them here. So let us dive into this. So start by navigating to your account on CloudConvert, log into it and click into username in the top right. Next, select dashboard. Here guys, what you want to do is click into account on the left hand side, navigate to integrations, and here at the bottom you will see storage providers including OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive. So there are two ways how you can do this. Let's say for instance you're logged in with your Google account already. We show in a separate tutorial how to connect your Google account with CloudConvert. In this case you will see that both Google Drive, since it is an application by Google, will also be connected, right? If that's not the case, guys, let me just unlink for the sake of this tutorial. You will need to click into connect here and then select the Google account you would like to use for that. Your Google Drive account, of course, give the permission here. So it's basically almost the same as connecting your Google account, with the difference that now you will be given access to your Google Drive storage so that you may upload files from there here to CloudConvert to convert them, for example, from one file format to another. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.